Here is an ultimate beginner's guide to every main type of wine you need to know. Wine is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes, and variations in the type of grapes used and how it's processed creates different styles. The first category is red wine, which is usually made with black skin grapes. The grape skins are left on to soak with the juices during fermentation and is what gives the wine its red color. It also contains tannins that adds dryness. Red wine typically has rich, complex flavors with notes of dark fruit, spice, and earthiness. The second category is white wine, which is made with green or yellow grapes. Unlike red wine, the grape skins are removed prior to fermentation. The lack of skin reduces the tannin levels in white wine and tends to give it more delicate, floral, and fruity flavors. Rosé sits somewhere between red wine and white wine. This third category of wine uses red skin grapes. When making rosé, grape skins are kept on during fermentation, but crucially, only for a short amount of time. Enough to impart a pale pink color, but not enough to qualify as a red wine. Rosé is often crisp and dry with subtle fruit and citrus notes. Now, sparkling wines are quite unique in that they go through a secondary fermentation, which is what creates a fizzy effervescence. Any wine can be a base for sparkling, but the most popular is champagne and prosecco. Finally, we have dessert wines. These are wines where the grape juice is only partially fermented, leaving more sugar content that gives it a slightly sweet flavor. Some dessert winemakers may even add a bit of distilled spirit or herbs. If you'd like more beginner drink guides, follow for more.